Alright everyone, I wanted to give you specific instructions on how to access the first review PowerPoint with practice questions that I've done for Math 1. So you're going to open a web browser, whichever web browser you want, and you're going to go to classroom.google.com. Now, I'm already logged in. You'll have to log in using your school email and password. Your screen should look similar to this one. It's got your different classes that you've already joined using your specific Google Classroom codes. So if you're in my first block, for example, you're going to click on first block, and I have uploaded an assignment on the stream. It's an Edpuzzle video that I created, and you click on it. And as you watch the video, you're going to have a handful of practice questions that you should complete, and they are automatically graded. I am going to do my best to create an additional practice assignment that I'm going to post on Google Classroom